Hello friend, today we learn about the SUMIF function. This is amount by category, like here if I have car, toy and food, and I want to summarize everything. So I can do like equal the first car, and then I concat the next car and the last car, and then I press on enter. Now I take from everything, and then I press on F2 to check myself. Now I have the SUMIF function. If I do equal SUMIF and then open me a box, I take the range of the category and then I press on F4 keyboard. Next I take the category, like here, car, and then I have the sum range. I take all the sum and then I press on F4 button. Let's do one more, equal SUMIF, and then open me a box. I take the range and then I press on F4. Next I take the category from here or from here, and then I take the sum range and I press on F4 keyboard, and then I press on OK. And let's do the last, and if you can see, this is the same. Okay guys, let's do a summarize. I have SUMIF function, I have range, category and sum range. Here I take the range. Next I have the category, I can take it from here or from here, and the last I have the sum range, the amount. This is from here. Okay, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.